You talk so eloquently about the focus on the agent, the importance of the agent to the long-term competitive advantages in so many different ways. Yet throughout the industry, there are unbelievable agent turnover rates to the point where I think most companies have said that's a necessary evil. We've lived with it so long. It's just one of those things that we have to deal with. So it becomes an acceptable problem. If I were to ask you, literally on a scale of 1 to 10, if how important is the agent turnover issue, not just to NeoGov, to your perspective to the industry, on the overall impact it has on the growth, the sustainability of companies? One, it doesn't have any impact on the growth and sustainability. Agent turnover, that issue, is vital to supporting the overall growth and sustainability of the company. Where would you put that on that scale of 1 to 10?
Part of it depends on where your organization is and its maturity, right? If you are very beginning, you're a startup, it's probably a 1 because the people who built the product are the ones who are supporting it, or the people who are selling it are the ones because you're small. So everybody's doing everything. So it's not as important because you don't have dedicated specialists. But as you grow, it becomes a little more important. And then if you start to grow rapidly, if you're experiencing hypergrowth, that thing jumps to like an 8. And if you're at the maturity level, it should be a 10. Like if you're mature and you're established, that matters. You know why? Because that's the consistency. Personally, I think it's most important in the scale up side because this is where you can set yourself up for the long-term win. You're scaling quickly, you're in hypergrowth. Set your contact center up to be that competitive advantage because that supports your hypergrowth. You have an immediate ability to pull somebody out of that contact center and put them into another role in the company, and you don't miss a beat. It's the farm team. Continue to bring in new talent and move that new talent to other roles. And if you're in hypergrowth, people already understand your culture, which is paramount for actually being able to move fast and fix things. You've got trust built within the organization. They understand where it's going on. And then you can foster collaborative creativity where it's okay to say, this isn't working. So what could we do differently? Let's look at it from different perspectives. And if they're not the person who has the computer science degree, they are definitely going to be looking at it from a different perspective. Get that perspective. It's going to inform you in a way that you never thought about. And that's where innovation really happens.